for the Western Avina, this represented the fullest, you know. You're a pretty girl star, you know the thing, girl. No, sir. Yeah.
Me put it on live.
Me warn you about the dirty boy
no, my friend. Me hear say, no, me hear say, him say, I go pay a man 500 for kill my son. Rattie go kill your body. The truth hurt you.
Everything on them have them, I use just keep them against you. And I talk about them, with peer people. The killer son of Jamaica, Everything.
Rattie, you're hungry like a dog. You're hungry like a dog, Rattie.
To get them scream record.
To me. Send it to me. I go call the police and give it to them. Send it to me, my nice thing, sister.
To you, but me know that me have to make it reach for you.
Yeah, him say I go pay 500 for man kill my son.
Me myself when I bring it here because at the end of the day, enough is enough, and somebody needs to go down for all these things what they're speaking out of their mouth.
Yeah, go and do it, me nice clean tita.
Somebody needs to
report
go
him,
down.
My sister, you dirty batty man.
Every time you and them have something, they are looking at kids saying, you're your son of Jamaica, right? He's not the first person I heard do this shit.
Yeah. Dirty batty man. That for sure you say me a beat. But me not understand, you know. Look how much of them. And them gather up and turn flags and a cuss me. I'm not threatening none of them.
Well, he's the one who's going to pay for every word that people tell you. He's the one who's going to pay for everything. Because enough is enough. Enough is enough. Him sit down on government money. Yes, sit down on my hard working but money. Collecting the little 60 pounds every 4 weeks. The government I give them, they don't have no ambition.
Hold on.
Because it's not like they're getting a bag of money. That was back in the days.
Hold on. Where you say, if we go look at you, where you say, blessing, Rattie really said that him broke like dog. He can't even feed for him cat. Yeah, beg for him cat when want to pay 500 to kill my son. Dirty batty man.
Everything on them, after I use the picnic at Jamaica, then
Who said the invalid with the $400 killing?
After them.
Eh?
It is invalid with the $400 killing.
Everything they use the son of Jamaica against you.
Hold on, I put my chief first on the top over here. I say, yeah, Toby can't talk on top. Yeah. Dirty batty man. Zero batty man, that's why I'm not hungry, so. Dirty batty man. Lucifer batty man. Lucifer fuck out your batty at night time, Rattie. Rattie Satan a fuck your batty miserable. Miserable. Miserable Rattie take the pad from under your batty. Satan eat your hearty hole, Rattie. Satan dig out your batty hole and left it for rotten. Yes, my sister talk up.
The woman want to respond to the $400 killing. The woman not going to talk about Puss.
Him think himself.
Who invalid on the $400 killing?
Hold on, want me say Destiny one at a time. I don't want it sound can cheery.
Yeah, but I want to hear and the people want to hear too.
You will hear the right time. Wait, my friend attack first. Friend attack on the live. On my phone, so I make it hear then after. Dirty woman. Dirty batty man. Zero back blood clot, dirty batty man. All rotten Keiko. Rotten Keiko. We in the group Destiny. And me never know say me and Keiko have something. Don't me play the voice to them in the group, make you hear me, sister?
She are definitely blood clot junkie family at the very first. You know, so she looks like dead. You know, so she looks like somebody in a one casket.
Don't me play the voice note them for you. You did hear this argument have nothing to do with Keiko. Do you hear me tell Keiko to come out of the argument?
Okay. We said the whole of them were just on this live with you. The whole of them are Jezebel. And they have to talk about your blood.
And listen, this is Destiny. Me never know say Keiko. Me never know say Keiko a set up man for kill Fred them, you know. Me only just drop my words in the group say pretend well. All me say Me never set up nobody life yet. Me never tell lie upon nobody. Me never, I swear to God, I never call social work upon nobody. I never call immigration. I never call police. I never do none of them something that me heart clean. Keiko, take it up. Pussy going like say, you're so holy and solely and ray. So me I say, Keiko, oh, you reach into this argument, yeah, because you never know, say, when me I play the voice note, the people, somebody I say, never know, say, Keiko did call Chin, and I tell Chin, say, she, Keiko and Chin, for make up pay our cousin, how much money for kill Fred them.
Jesus Christ.
Kill Fred them, and Chin said, not involved in that. She said, she said, I'm fine, Morgan. So Keiko Chin say, Keiko, me can't do that. She say, me I go pay the rest of money, but me not have the money now when me get paid. You give them the furniture and the boy them the gun. And them I go come to fret them because a long time fret them. And Chin say, me can't do that. Me not get myself involved in none of that. But me never know. I never know the argument till 3 weeks ago when time me I play the voice note them for Chin here. I said, Chin, look how Keiko buy out my argument. And me not talk to her through. Me say me not do wickedness. Chin say, no why she said so. She think me tell you about the money where she did a plan to kill the boy. Kill Fred them. Me say, oh, so this the nail, me lick the nail pan the stone. Me throw a stone in a hand pen. Nicole and Erica. Me not gonna tell her like Nicole and Erica and 2 more are friends, but me not gonna call them name because all of them they behind the fence at your word. All them maybe they behind the fence. Them me not see them come out. But Nicole and them I tell me to call social work and them would pay me. And me say me cannot do that. Me say me, oh yeah, India how she do that? How them I do that to you? Me say me leave people to time because time longer than rule. The way the people them like say, Puss, you fi call social worker, you fi call this one, you fi call police and say this and that like how Red Boot do. Me say me leave people to time. Me say to them, say, you see them throw bomb in my house, you see them do these things I want me do. Me leave them to time because me serve a God. Me say if him shut up, every now gonna be no rain. If him send out locusts in the land, it's gonna eat up everybody and what goes up come down, what go around come on. Anything nobody
drunk, gotta go polish.
I see, I look at things, me run them, me say, me now, me say, listen to me know how to war with God. Me say, God, me turn to them and me say, listen this. Remember, God, that me I win every war, me come out and fight, me win it. So why me I go do them things, eh? Me say, me can't make God shut me up. If me go do wickedness now, God, I go take him blessing from me. Me cannot allow that. So when I tax, when I come say,
Them come to suck your blood.
Russian crackhead, Keiko, come tell lie. Keiko, you say because me not big you up and me not call you. Then 1 minute you say me a call you down. No, Keiko, me not call down girl phone. You a call me down every minute with a mix up and a mix up that. Remember, Keiko, are you the one? Are you the one? Keiko, are you the one always send the things them to Chin about Erica? How Chin Erica do it? How Chin Erica do that? You are the one who used to be.
You see, the day when Chin come attack, I say about to Dan and talk to you and the argument. Erica make everybody start questioning, Erica come out, and talking about Chin and a real friend God, Chin and people are friend and Chin and Dan are friend. But because God did not tell Chin so that you don't have to do these things. You don't have to go to the people. And Erica make Chin. Erica make everybody start goes Chin,
Yeah, so she still. I saw the Bigfoot giant. Bigfoot. Dirty woman. I saw the dirty woman see ya. Mind your business. And it's when time she get defeat, she want call poor, she want go friend her enemy them, she want call soldier, she want call police. And when she see that no work, she come over here now and use psychology. One the Robin come out for her. And I write up other people name. Don't worry no write up no shut up back name over here, so come and tell you say. Me and Red Boot story done. You make me done it. Me and Rattie Fred do story done. Me and Pele Dog story done. Me nah argue with Shutterback Red Boot. Me nah argue with Uncle Dog. And me nah argue with Rattenfoot Fred them. So how it go? You have to go defend your own blood clot. Remember, so not idiot. Yeah, that's why she keep putting them in the argument. Every minute, shut up back that. I don't shut up back time. A year blood clot time. And you start it. We are go back from where it start. And you start it. And you draw a dog in there. And you draw. And you give. And you boots Tanya if you come out. And you start it. And she, because when Tanya call her and I explain to her, if she did just say, wanna cool down her, but she influenced Tanya to go up her Apple Live. And she, allow me to tell Carol, she influenced and boots Tanya because that's why Tanya will have her and Dan will have her because she put them in there when they tell her the truth, she run out. And she bring them in there and start me coming strong and she draw chin in there. This big turtle foot woman.
Breadfoot.
Say no can make up so make up a fake page come over here about blood clot. Big Shutterback back blood clot Red Boot. Come and now argue with Shutterback Red Boot. It's OVER. Me now get Shutterback time is over. Me now blood clot argue with Shutterback no more. So me not see what I gonna do. Angle your blood clot cangle. Me not argue with Rattenfoot Fred and me not up with Pele Jankradan. You have to go angle your blood clot cangle. Dirty woman. That you pay a Rattie 40 pounds for bring down this. Then you pay 30 pounds for bring down it. Cigarette batty man. Yeah.
I'm hungry in England. I just went blood clot.
Hungry like a dog. Rattie, go look at walk. Go look at walk. Rattie, go dig up your dirty fuck out. Mama will fuck like a dog. And AIDS kill your mama. And AIDS I got blood clot kill you to dirty batty man. You're hungry like a dog, a blood clot. You come talk about pay $500 for kill my son. Rattie, let me tell you something. No weapon form against me and my children shall prosper. None.
You're still Rattie hungry.
Hey, Destiny, that for sure you say, oh, me I beat them blood clot bad. For sure, you know, because them, remember, you know, them say them I tell me the things and I just laugh like, oh, Mary, come to town, jiggle my scissor, man.
So I ask you something, Puss, should I scream a kind of when you say so?
No, I'm gone down.
Now you hear me?
Yeah.
Now you hear me, Puss?
Yeah, me I hear you.
You should
Oh, no, I didn't in England.
You should have screen record it with this when you say my pay. When you pick it up on.
Where you say Rattie, listen
You should have screen record it.
Wow.
When you say about 500 pick it up son.
Oh, somebody will scream record it. My friend scream and say she carry it at the station. And she will give it to me and I go call the police too. Yeah, say my threaten me for kill my son. Every time they come for me, I'm reading them blood clot batty right and them pussy right, them want to kill me. Every blood clot time them come for me and them know them not to come for me. Them know say false teeth and pussy no borrow. Them know them not to come for me because me not take no sleep. Anytime a blood clot ready for rub. You let me assure you say them stupid. All while they come and rub about big pussy pose, black pose. Oh my God, black pose. Those are nothing. That's nothing. Nothing. They know none of these bitches talk about me is true. They're all fiction. So I feel no fucking way like bitches. But when Puss come for talk, and when Puss come for rub them, it hurt them. Dirty shit up, Batman. Ratty shit upon your tongue. I'm a real dirty Batman. We are collect $40 for cause people and $30. Can't come chat to me. Yeah, yes, sis. How much time you want me say run the dirty Batman, run the dirty Batman. I'm here say him hungry and him want a little light and a cigarette, make him come for me, my life come beg. Beggy, beggy, beggy. Yeah. I be a man used to come on page and from this dirty, leaky Batman come on, every man come off. Blood, Rattie, you can't tell me nothing at all, Rattie. Move your dirty dibby blood clot, bingo balls, blood clot. Well, you need to go war with my son when me the righteous are England. You saw them stupid? Me there saw England. Me give me address, turn up on my address, and me shit you. Let me boil up some blood clot at island, throw in your blood clot face and call the feds.
Nothing enough to put it in the retarded here.
And that's why him can't turn up. You say you're bad, Rattie, you got people yard. Come on me yard now. Cause you know me address, come on me blood clot yard now. I make we see how it go. I make sure you owe me blood clot 16 and 18-year-old them nephew. Deal with Batman now. Make we mince you up my blood clot. Come up here now. Let me go up on live when we are beat and teach, you know. Me say, but that must make me nephew them time up, man. I make me beat out him blood clot and me call the police. And then me call, after me beat out your blood clot, me call the police them for your blood clot. Me can get a beat and go in a prison. Dirty Batman, turn up on me yard, they say you're bad. Dirty Batman, you know enough for ramp because you want when me have you want me go the wall. But you come chat. After you run up your mouth today, come ask about me man. And I said, don't ask me about me man. You gonna come talk, but oh, me can't serious. Down blood clot call me son name now your mouth. Pussy. Deal with me, diss me up, come here and mix up with dirty shit out, Batman. Down blood clot mention me pitney dirty cockroach. You need to blood clot squash. You can't argue in your house. You're out order. Frankincense and myrrh in your wine and your body hole. For bone in your body hole. You walk the blood clot. You hand them no look. And before you go look one caring job or a security job, you sit down but you want to come beg £5, £10. And you want to come chat to me. £5 pick your shot, Batman. Go ahead. AIDS kill your mama and it a go kill you. Remember the way for AIDS spill them where you have the way for big bag of AIDS spill them. Go take your blood clot medication. That's why you can't go nowhere go walk. Because the people don't want to AIDS mixing because the AIDS are kill out your blood clot. Blood clot, you're out order. Don't get bright. Tired for telling me I've been warned. I've been warned you more than one time. Said germs bag. Make sure you know where you are before you come for me. Because one must understand my record is clean like Jesus' record. Me not no skeleton in my closet. My daughter them breed when them are 15. I'm happy with it. I'm never dash it to you. I bring it. I know my daughter breed again when she 28. With my twin grand pitney them. Dirty Batman, you don't know nothing about me. Nah, no old Dana batty man. Ratty your body worm up. Ratty take out your hood and squeeze tap your worm in your body. And worm in your hood. Worm it hood. Ratty your hood big and dead. Waste a cocky you have. Fucking shithouse. Bright. You bright, bruv. Nasty, dirty batty man. I come for me blood clot live. Tell no lie for me blood clot. Me eat you too wicked. And barbarous and love start war on and I can't defend the war and I want come blood clot, turn it down. Me go make man kill your pit, go kill your body one dead because it affected everywhere you sit down and be a ginger fly. I be an insect run out of your body, Rattie. Rattie your body done, Rattie your funny looking dildo tongue blood clot. Rattie your body all need cushion. Oh, your body will think. Rattie your body want some quicksand. Cause your body a sink. So it needs some quicksand to sink it little more. Riverside body, Rattie your body a run like a river. Sewage body. Rattie your body is a sewage. Your mouth is a sewage and your body is a sewage. Outside, sir. Don't do that. Don't come for the dolly. Blood clot. This is a walking blood clot, dolly. I come for you out of that. Nasty, dirty man. When I go like son, I can come blood clot style queen. Dirty batty man. Dirty shit house. Who is you? 5 pound blood clot. Cash go look at work, Rattie. You sit down on taxpayer money and you don't hand them no nook. You big and workless. Beg your 5 pound, me nah no gas, candy, nah no food. Move your blood clot, candy, pussy, tired. You fuck your cat. You fuck your cat what they nearly kill her. You fuck your cat and you make me know say corner shop give a free chicken back. Move your blood clot and go. Me never want nothing from the dirty batty man. Blood clot, zero tolerance, Rattie. You're workless. He's a workless dirty batty man. You can't do ear. And you're afraid to go work in one ear just a shot because that the people them say that's supposed to come out in public. I don't know where public. You can't come out a road 5 o'clock a morning and 12 o'clock at night when the road quiet. Move your quiet road, blood clot. Nasty. Lucifer batty man. I'm going to change your baggy. Rattie shit in your baggy. Shit in your baggy. Go take off candy baggy. No dirty panty. Rattie show me your baggy. If I know for candy. Out of you tall like the blood clot ceiling. Boy, you come out, about big, you can't call my pussy. My pussy uko and it uko tight. That's when time man fuck me, them have to stay with me. Them have to cry over it, them have to do the things, them dirty man. You're so nice and you're so clean. And you can't get a man to stay with you. You're Erica. Why you not gonna fuck Erica in her big riverside pussy? Cause she can't get a man and you can't get a woman. It won't not tall. Them talk about liver spot and crocotac. Rattie your mouth similar like alligator boy. Rattie alligator would nicer than urine. Move your blood clot, Rattie. Rattie bend over and turn over your bottle and see if you want to pay a magical drop. Shit pit Rattie. Zero tolerance, Rattie. Your mama did that you couldn't even bury your blood clot, mama. Or your workless. A donation of you bury your ugly fuck out AIDS victim pussy, mama. Father, how long have a blood clot bury your mama, dirty Rattie? Father, blood clot, Abraham. Have a bury your blood clot, mama, Father Abraham. Have many sons of Father Abraham. Him bury your blood clot, mama. Rattie are one of them, and so are you. So let's Rattie go find something for blood clot. To go suck your dead mama. Go lift out your mama out of the cough and go beat her and brush her teeth and beat her in her pussy. Say, why you bring a dirty batty man? Why you bring a dirty batty man? Why you bring a dirty batty man like me? Mommy, why? eat, I know. Them say Puss a call man a Jamaica for kill. Here I don't know Puss a call man a Jamaica for kill people. Ooh. They look so nice. Earth princess, they say look nice. I understand. Hey, Puss, what's good? Rattie, you know, they come see the sofa. Dirty Batman. Yeah, move on left sofa, I have charity sofa. Donation sofa, I have fit you. Yeah. A 30-year Rattie in UK and have nothing to show, only an old sofa. The sofa na no bottom. Rattie, your sofa na no belly. Rattie sofa him sit down at a grub him sit down pan. Rattie TV when it turn on it lock off back in my fear beg cash up for buy a TV. Rattie a TV all like a yo. Rattie. I really not zero dirty body I be argue with no shame him na Rattie. Asian day sofa I'm having for you, my sister. Him say the street light. My niece are talking.
Stop moving my off wrong time.
Hey, father. Hey, Rattie, that's Rattie fridge I make nice. Rattie is a council house that in a Rattie couldn't even change out the carpet or nothing in there. Workless dirty batty man. Workless dirty batty man. Oh God man, Rattie. Good God man. No happen to you, no sick. Tell the truth. Him no sick, why him not go look at job? Why him not look up like a Rattie if you happy cheery? I don't mean I understand me the England and you the England and you want to go to Jamaica. You want to come deal with me in England? Turn up me, give me address.
Sit down, so 60 pounds every 2 weeks. 60 pounds every 2 weeks, then get.
Workless dirty man. You're workless. And do not worry about me, we are clean people floor. But me live better than you know.